How to cancel an Instacart order. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Instacart app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now at the bottom you'll see the option of account. Click on it. Now at the top you'll find the option of orders. Click on it. Instacart lets you shop at nearby grocery stores online, then sends a personal shopper to fulfill and deliver your order to you the same day. Unlike other grocery delivery services, the company doesn't stockpile fresh products in a massive warehouse. In this page, you will be able to find all of your Instacart orders. If you want to cancel any of the order, go ahead. You'll see the option of View Details. Click on it. With that, you will get the option of Manage Orders. Click on it. You'll see the option of Cancel. Click on it. And with that, your order will be cancelled. So this way, you can easily cancel an order on Instacart account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.